Guys, welcome to the channel again. Manny with Ocala Tractor. Today we're going to talk about the TYM, the T25 tractor with a backhoe. And to tell you a little bit more about it, since you know I'm once again I'm not no expert, and those haters out there who have the comments that I don't know what I'm talking about, you absolutely right. I don't need to know what I'm talking about. I have some excellent people here that knows everything they have to do with this tractors, and I'm going to give you an idea. Okay, Elon Musk, he didn't know anything about Tesla, right? He didn't know anything about NASA, and look what they are right now. So thank you again for all those hate comments. Keep leaving them down there. It's what keeps me going every morning. And to tell you a little bit more about this tractor, we got Justin here.
Hey guys, it's Justin with Ocala Tractor again. Today we're going to go over one of my favorite subcompact tractors. This tractor has lots of lifting power. It is a TYM tractor. It is a T25. This tractor runs a 3-cylinder Yanmar motor. It is under 25 horsepower, so we have no diesel emissions on here, no DPF filter, no regen. You don't have to worry about any of that. We're going to do a quick overview of this tractor. So this tractor, as you see it here, comes with a loader and a backhoe on this tractor. This tractor right here on the loader, it's a quick attach loader that lifts up over 1,369 pounds at max height. Breaks out over 2,000 pounds at ground level, close to 3,000 pounds on this baby. And then hydrostatic transmission, 2-range 4-wheel drive tractor. You do have a suspension seat. It does come with one rear remote on this tractor, standard. Comes with a wireless charge-in, Bluetooth speakers, working lights on the bar on this tractor. Phenomenal tractor. This is a little workhorse for a small farm, 5 acres or less, that has compact areas and needs a tractor that's stout and can get the job done. And then we have this backhoe back here on here. It is a subframe mounted backhoe for more durability, better digging capabilities, and less stress on the tractor. Easily mounts right up here. One thing when you do go to use this tractor, make sure you guys do remove the locking pin on your swing arm and on the boom right here. There are stickers on the other side that go over this. But this is a great tractor. You can add a thumb on this tractor. If you guys want some more details on this tractor, come see me, Justin, here at Ocala Tractor. For this whole package that you guys see here, you can take this home for a payment of $325 with approved credit, guys. Come check us out here at Ocala Tractor. My name is Justin. If you have not liked or subscribed to our channel, please do that now below. And give us a call, 352-732-8585. We'll talk to you guys soon. See you soon.
There you got it. There he is. All the knowledge, anything you need to know about these tractors. And before I leave, I want to ask you a couple of questions, because I know we had the Wesco Best flare mower. Those are up to discount up to 50% now when you buy a tractor. So make sure that you ask about those flare mowers. Tell me a little bit about it. A 25 horsepower tractor. What would be...
So you can operate a 60-inch flail mower. We do have a 49-inch flail mower if you have some tighter areas you want to keep it in. These will cut up to a 2-inch material. They are installed with hammers on them right now. Once you get that area cleaned up, you would swap them over to the Y blades to get a better cut on that grass, guys. When you come in, just ask for us. We'll be glad to guide you in any knowledge that you guys need from us.
Okay. There you go, guys. Leave the comments below. What do you like to see in our videos? Do you want us, digging with the backhoe? Do you want us to bury a tractor? I don't know. Give us some ideas. We're open for ideas. We're a little bit different. So let us know. Again, we're appreciated, man. And if you have any questions, don't forget, give us a call. 352-732-8585. Once again, thank you for your support.
Hey guys, just wanted to show you guys real quick how to operate this backhoe and get it started on here. There is a few steps to go through it. So we're gonna go ahead and turn on the tractor. Alrighty, so when you wanna operate the backhoe, you do have to engage the rear remote to get the hydraulic flow to go to the back of the tractor. And then make sure your parking brake is on. And let's go back here and have some fun. All right. One thing you gotta do before you go to operate, make sure you take out your safety pins. Don't want to bend them, mess up anything. So our first one's going to be right here on the boom. Drop that in here. My second one, sometimes you might have to relieve some pressure. If you have any pressure on there, slides right out. Put that baby right there. Climb back up on here. All right. Let's go ahead. I'm going to bump up the throttle to give it a little more, get those hydraulic pumps working to get a little faster cycle time on this thing.
here deep. And great job, Justin. You have any questions, let us know. Also, coming on soon, we got our own line of apparel. Ocala Tractor, long sleeve with the hoodie, keep you away from the sun. We got different models of hats. Is that okay? So that's all going to be available through our channel here pretty soon. So here you go. This is what it looks like. This is what I look like. Okay, so now don't do that. But you know, if you ever need to, you have a tractor that is able to do it. So once again, thank you. And here's Justin.
There you guys go. Rest in peace to all our haters.